today's video, I play Long Drive North. Well, really the demo, because the full game is not out. But let's see if I could get to the end, and also crazy stuff happen. Well, I don't know. But anyways, stay to the end of the video and enjoy. Holy. I saw Komodo Gaming and Spycakes and Beautiful OB play this game, so I was like, hey, why don't I play it too? So there's gonna be another video of this game soon. Pretty sure. Should we loot? Yeah. I say we should. So we have motor oil, new battery. Is there anything else? Bro, what just happened with my voice? Here we could just put in some stuff. More tape. More water. So I don't know. Oh, it's getting dark. Why are we heading north? To escape a storm. I don't know, but that's what the game wants us to do, so let's just do that. There are some branches. Sorry for my driving, I'm just pressing A and D for no reason. Let's not loot because it looks dark. Okay. There's lots of cars here. We can maybe loot. I'm gonna take this one. We're gonna need cloth because we need a bed. Any other cars that motor oil? Anything else? Hold up. Oh, nice. Any more? Oh. Okay, let's get in the car before we got distracted. Well, because you guys just watch. Why is there barriers? Alright. Where do we get coolant? No. Oh shoot. Okay, I should actually try to drive normally and not almost go into a tree and crash and then get hit by the storm. Because I don't want to do that. Wait, what happens if you just go the opposite way into the storm? Okay, I actually really want to drive that. Okay, should we go left or right? Left. Alright. Why don't we have the headlights do nothing? Look. Whatever. It's a headlight. Just wait until it turns dark. I think it would work. Yep. A barrel. What I was looking for. Oh shoot. Success. 1 cloth. That was a lot. Let's put it into the back of my truck. Well, RV, sorry. How do I drop? Oh, it's Q. There. Oh, I'll probably turn it off. Okay. We're gonna need to find a good place to make a bed and put it inside of our camper and then just sleep, get up, keep on moving. Right. No, I'm gonna keep on this road. Last time we went left, so let's go left. Sorry. I was gonna pick right, but I saw a car and I was like, ooh, I wanna see what it has. Come on, quick. Let's just go. That's the horn if you're playing multiplayer, but I'm not right now. What's that warning sign for? Oh. Okay, look, there's a place we could camp at. Stay at. Okay. Oh, sleep. I didn't see that. 200 FPS. Damn. Oh, I'm hungry. No, that's food. There. Okay, where's the dog? Hello, feed. Tend to me. Come on, dog. Success. Totally. Rifle ammo. Okay. Hello, dog. Follow me. Oh. Hi. Oh shoot. I'm pretty sure if you miss it, it starts to go faster. We haven't been in this house. Okay, come on. Okay. In the comments, please tell me why I should name this dog. This dog. Right here. That one. The best name gets pinned too. What? I forgot the dogs teleport into the seat. Sorry. See. Oh. How am I to drive off a cliff? Like a tiny cliff. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna kill myself in the game. Nope, not the storm. Not me getting hungry, dehydrated. Nope, just flying off a cliff. I have a big fear we're going in a loop. I think we are. Oh, so. Yeah, we're going in a loop. Somewhere we have to take a turn. Left. There we go. Oh my god, bro. I just spun out. I've traveled 6 miles. Okay. Seven. We need to look out for like airports, good stuff. What's this warning sign? I did not get to see it. I tried to look, but was not able to look at it. Okay, quickly. Siphon, water, that. Anything else? No. Okay. There. Oh no, we need more fuel. We need more oil, coolant, which I'm pretty sure I have not gotten any coolant. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but I'm pretty sure I don't have any. There's stuff. More stuff. No. Oh, this is gonna take a long time. There. Now we're faster. Which means more deadlier when I'm driving. Woohoo! Literally. Oh wait, that's a camp. I say we ditch it. I know there may be some good stuff. Which would suck if there actually is. But it's whatever. Oh wait, look. Oh look, it's an airport. Let's go. Oh, just don't fly off the cliff, please. Oh my god. I need more oil. Are you serious? And coolant? I don't even have any coolant. Unfair. Almost just flew off there. But Bro, I'm pretty sure my RV was about to flip. You know, I'm taking a shortcut here. There's no oil left in my car. Bro, inside the car, I was sinking a lot. Okay, why is there so much rifle ammo when there isn't even a rifle? I'm cold. No, not in real life. In game, basically. Okay, I think it's time to sleep. Yep. Sleeping. Empty water. Frick. Bro, where's my food? That was horrible. Okay. We need to get going fast. I didn't even add oil. Oh god. I'm really bad at this game. How do I get onto the road? There. Oh shoot. Damn it. Alright. How long is this video? Cause I don't have anything to check. I only have one monitor. I don't have two. Even though I wish I did. For a second I thought there was a turn right up here. Like a different road that you could go on to. Head north to escape the deadly storm. The biggest question I have is why do we have to go north? And the water's not freezed. So I don't know if it's like cold or not. I don't know, but hey, wait, I think we can find some. What is that? Is that smoke? Oh. Okay, now where does the motor oil go? There. Hey, free gas. We're gonna want to go off in like a couple of seconds. Whatever. How do I put, oh, there. My door's open. Oh no. I forgot to close the door. So far, good game. Like, really. I think this video is an hour. Probably. Because I cannot see. And I don't want to just suddenly stop and go check. I don't. Soon we're probably going to be seeing some Wobbly Life on the channel. There was Wobbly Life, first game I ever played on my computer. Literally. And even my YouTube profile pictures on Wobbly Life. I'm a really big Wobbly Life fan. The space update, best. Like, actually, it's such a good update. I already have, like, everything now. Kind of at all. Even on my Nintendo. I also play on Nintendo. Yeah. Have I already been here? No. Okay, is there an end? I don't know. I have lots of questions. Like, lots and lots. Of questions. I was actually not gonna film a video. I was actually just gonna play with my friend. But then, I have no clue where is he. I've called him 3 times and he would not pick up. So, with my boredness, is that a word? I don't know. Since I was so bored, I was like, okay, YouTube, woohoo! So that's what I'm doing. No thanks, I don't want to go to the gas station. Wait, am I? Nah. I should really go to the gas station, but nah. What's this sign? Oh, this is just to say gas station. Oh. Oh shoot. Okay, everyone in the comments, please tell me how's your weekend going. Because I'm filming this on a Saturday. So please tell me how was your Saturday or Sunday. Because I'm probably going to post this Wednesday, Friday. maybe Thursday, or maybe next Saturday. It takes a long time to upload videos. Like, it's been a month since I've done my last video. The reason is, first reason, because I always film videos and then I realize they're horrible. And I'm like, that's a waste of time. Now have no video. Second, school. Lots of school. Lots of homework. I actually have an exam like the day after tomorrow. Yeah. I'm at 4% feel. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, go. Go in the back. Pick up cherry can. Add gas. Quick. Oh, Sue. Okay, soon I'm gonna have to pull over sleep. Also, like the video, like and subscribe, please. And if you've made it this far into no, that's a tree. If you've made it this far into the video, please comment down. I love cheese. Yes. Please comment, I love cheese. Actually, no. I love s'mores because I'm in a forest. Yeah, comment, I love s'mores if you've made it this far in the video. Right. Okay. My problem, the reason why I think some of my videos are horrible, because then I watch them when I'm going to edit them, or when I've posted them, I'm like, so I didn't speak because I'm really shy in public. YouTube is kind of the only thing that I just speak in, because I know there's gonna be nobody watching my videos, even though I do want to go famous. I need to pay attention. Hey, what's that text? Did I make it to the end? There's no way. No way I made it to the end. Holy. Thank you for playing. Developers, thank you for making this game. Holy. Anyways, that's it for today's video. My car's smoking. I don't know why. Oh, the engine. Damn. Anyways, happy 3 days. Whew. Okay. Bye. Now stay wobbly. Bye.